Hi viewers, this is Salman and I am back with another video how to root this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G or any other OnePlus phone or any other Android phone running on Android OS. In this video I am going to describe two methods to root this device. I also describe another simple way to root this device also. You must see that on my channel too. So the first method that I was posted was so much easy and does not require any additional steps, just basic two files. But here in this method we need to obtain our boot image. So that's a little bit trickier part of this video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the actual process. So first we have to check the device's exact Android version and firmware version. Here in this about section, you can see that it's Android version 12. This is a general Android version, but you have to check it is exact firmware version on what firmware version it is on. So it is a global model L8125 and it's on 11C65. That is the last stable build of Android 12 for this particular OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So you can also check this firmware version from here by dialing *# 6776# and you can see that it's on L8125 11C65. This is Android model is L8125 on Android 12. Also you can check this from here *# 1234# again, and here again you can see that it's L8125 11C.65. So we confirm both the Android version and the exact firmware version. So let's come to the Windows interface. So here first we have to download the latest Magisk APK, transfer this Magisk APK, and we have to download our boot image. So here is our guide or thread on this XDA which have all the links of the boot files here. So if you scroll down you can see that. So the Indian version is described as DA, European is a BA, and global is NARAA. So here you can see that it's starting from the Android 14, that is the latest image. It is, I think that it have most of the boot image. So now it's starting on of Android 13. So from here you can see that the F is of Android 13, A for international, BA for Indian, and DA for European. So you can see that the DA for Indian, BA for European, and A for international. And now this is the C66 boot image, that is Android 12, OxygenOS 12, but you can see that the latest for international global version L8125 is C65 rather than C66 because the C66 is not available for the global version. So easily you can download from here. It's a mega link, so you can download the boot file from here. So this is first and easy process you can do to obtain your device exact firmware boot image. If you did not found your boot image listed here from Android 12 to Android 11, so the next step is to download your exact firmware file that is running on your Android OS currently. So for example, this is the file. This is my Android file that's currently running on Android 12 OxygenOS C65. So now you need this fastboot enhancer latest version at the time of writing this tutorial, that is version 1.4.0. If you're watching in future, you may have another tools, you may have other tools at the time, or you may have the more recent version of this tool. So maybe who can say. So just extract this tool. So from here to obtain this boot image, just right click on it and run as administrator, or double click on it. Both will give you the same results or both will give you the same errors also. So there is no such difference. You may try by your cell phone. So here what you have to do, just click on this payload dumper tool. Now just drag and drop this here. You can see that in a go. You can see that it listed and it redid all the files of this payload dumper here. Now from here the partitions, you can search here boot. Here you can see the boot file is here. Now I think it's an incremental package. So click on this incremental if this is incremental, and if your exact file is the basic, or full OTA, then you should not have to click on this incremental, but I know this C65 is incremental, so I'm just clicking on this allow incremental. And now this boot image, select this image while click on this extract image, extract on desktop. Also you can see that it's extracting the boot image. The operation is now completed. Now close this fastboot enhancer. So this is the boot image that we needed. So in this way we did many things to obtain this boot image, either by downloading from the XDA thread or by extracting from this firmware zip file. So now what you have to do is to connect to your device with a USB cable. Now just select this transfer files. Now you have to copy this Magisk APK and this boot image in the root of your OnePlus 5G, or you can paste this here. It is not just pasted there. Now open file manager from here. Now go to this file manager exactly. From here first install this Magisk APK. Open. Now from here just click on install. Now select this, select and patch a file. Now from here go to the root directory of your device because we place the files here. Now just select this boot image. Now just click on this let's go. Now the Magisk application executed its script and now it's modifying the stock boot image to obtain the root. Now you can see that all is done and the image is saved to the downloads folder. So now in the Windows, just open this OnePlus Pro 5G SD card, internal storage. Now from here the downloads folder. Now from here in the downloads folder, you can see that the Magisk patch boot image is here. Now just copy this to your desktop. It's now just copying. Now it's just copied. Now what you have to do, open a command prompt from here. CMD, you make sure that you must properly install the ADB and fastboot drivers in your PC. So just issue a command ADB devices. This device is connected with PC in the ADB state. If your device unable to connect with your PC in ADB mode, even after enabling the USB debugging, you may check another video I already created in my channel. Now reboot to bootloader. Now type ADB reboot bootloader. Now it will boot into the bootloader. Now you can see that there is no bootloader unlocked warning, and also you can confirm that the bootloader is unlocked here. Now we have to temporarily boot with this Magisk boot image. We should not have to flash this image. Instead of this, we first have to temporarily boot with this to check the potential errors we may encounter with this file if this image file is bad somehow. So from here just type fastboot boot and now just drag and drop this file here and just select this CMD, hit enter twice, and you can see that it's now booting image and booted successfully. Now at this time again the temporary root that will be removed on the next reboot. So to permanently root this device, now from here open Magisk. Now click cancel or select OK because I'm cancelling right now, but from here I will install again. Install, direct install, and now click on this let's go. It will do the same as of OK as you tapped earlier. Now it's executing its script and actually it's just modifying the stock boot image and repacking and then flashing the modified rooted boot image to this device. Now you may click on this reboot and the device will reboot now. Now from here we can just remove this USB cable right now. At this time we successfully installed this Magisk boot image, patched boot image to this device. Now you can see that it is installed. The current version is 27, and to confirm whether the root is properly installed or not on this device, download this root checker application on your device. Open this device and from here just click on this verify root and you can see that the request has appeared here. Now just click on this grant and here you can see that congratulations that this device has a complete root access. So in this way we successfully rooted this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G on Android 12. I literally hope that you enjoyed this content, and if you did, smash the red subscribe button and leave a thumbs up for me, and I give you a guarantee that you are not going to lose a single penny for this. So I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep smiling.
you get